welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kenny, and today I'm bringing you a transitions tutorial. To start this transition off, you're going to start facing the pole. I'm just going to show from the side and then I'll move to the front of the pole. So from here, you want to keep your feet parallel, not too close, not too far apart. You're going to bring one hand, whichever hand you choose, bring it up high. Opposite hand, you're going to internally rotate that shoulder. So that means in towards the body. Palm facing down, thumb facing down, and grab the pole. From here, you're going to open your hand and pirouette. So what that means is you're going to externally rotate your top arm, turn, smell your armpits, hopefully they smell nice, and grab the pole. In this position, your feet should be crossed, like so, parallel, flip, turn, cross. Okay? Now from the front. Feet are parallel. You're gonna bring one hand high. Bottom hand internally rotates, palm facing down, thumb facing down, reaches and grabs the pole. Next, you're going to open the top hand, rolling over the top wrist, and turning towards that armpit. Smell, 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 hopefully good again, and cross. From here, you want to make sure whichever arm is your top arm, you're leaning into your shoulder. So right here, I'm using it as an anchor. From there, you're going to go on to releve, which means the balls of your feet, or if you have on heels, the balls of your platform, as much as you can. And then you're going to slide your legs apart. So right now, if I was on point in ballet shoes, but point in heels, okay? As low as you can go. If you need to bring your heels back down, that's also fine as well. But you can just practice, play with it, see how it feels, okay? So I'm leaning back. Okay, so we just slid our legs apart. From there, you're gonna extend one leg. Keep that leg nice and low. Bring it across to meet your bent leg. From there, you're going to tilt your hip up as high as you can, bend at the knee, and shoot that leg back into a lunge. Let's try this again. Slide it open, extend, keep that leg nice and low to the ground, close, hip up, bend at the knee, shoot it back. From there, you're gonna switch your lunge, so you're just switching your legs. Breathe. As you switch your legs, you wanna make sure you're using your arms to support you and your shoulder, okay? So when you bring your legs apart, lean, cross, knee comes up and back. So I'm pulling down with my top hand on the pole and pushing with my bottom arm kind of away from the pole, okay? So this is good if you are beginner, intermediate, and you are trying to work on your push-pull grips, if you want your Aishas, airwalks, endless opportunities, okay? So you switch, breathe. Now this is where it gets tricky. You're gonna release the bottom hand, reach, 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 turn towards the pole, and you can drop down and get your eagle on, girl. Hey, get your eagle on, girl. And then bring it up. As you're reaching your hand across, you want it to be a quick movement. You don't wanna wait too long because you wanna get that hand across to turn and grab the pole, like so, okay? Let me show it from the side. Here. Release, turn, and drop, and drop. Now, if you like that version and you're like, Kenny, I got the hang of that, but how can I take it up a notch? Don't worry, you can take it into a drop clap. I advise knee pads, socks, if you have them, if you're practicing, starting drops, claps, flops, kicks, something along those lines, okay? So we start from here in the beginning. Uncross. Get it up, shoot it back, back. You're gonna turn, kick your butt, and bring it down. So in this part, your knee should be open, allowing space for your booty to sit down. You don't want your heels in the way, so you clock, open. Maybe get a nice little stretch here as well. And one more time. We're in our lunge. Reach across, push away with your bottom hand, kick your butt, and then slam it down. There's a moment where you're in another push-pull situation, so this can help you get accustomed to not having your feet on the ground, just using your arms to support your body weight. If you like this tutorial, let me know what you think. If there are other things you would like to see, let me know that as well. Thank you.
On a tout dépensé, on n'a plus d'argent.